Hi, I'm Adam Simpson, Customer Support Manager here at Serco, Norfolk, Norwich University. Before I get into this lovely piece of kit, I'm going to talk to you about what Serco does here at the NNUH. So we are a FM contract, PFI, and what we are here is supporting the NHS, ensuring we're running as smoothly and as efficiently as we can. That is domestic services, that is patient catering services, that's also portering services, security, waste, linen, and we also run the grounds and the maintenance of the hospital. So we run quite a lot of non-clinical stuff in support with the NHS who are running the clinical side. This piece of kit is called Aerobic Digester, and it is designed to replace the macerators, which is our current practice, which is going to replace the food waste system. In terms of the Aerobic Digester, is a very good piece of kit, driving change, sustainability and being more environmentally friendly, and I will just explain how this piece of kit works. So in terms of the Aerobic Digester, I will bring food down here. I would empty it in a food caddy, so I'll lift this lid up, pour the food in, close the lid again, and then the machine will decide to go off again. So the great bit about this kit, there's no smell, minimum sound. It's continually being monitored by Aerobic Technologies through the computer that is built into this. This provides me waste data, daily, weekly, yearly, which enables me to work out exactly how much we are wasting in terms of food. It also gives me the luxury of narrowing it down to each kitchen, each area, so I can work out exactly what kitchen's wasting what. So it's a really good piece of kit that we're able to use and provide a good analysis of what's going on here at NNUH. The Aerobic Digester has 4 loading cells which communicates with a PLC computer, which then runs continuous data, which is analysed from a data centre up in Manchester. This allows Aerobic Technologies to continue to monitor it and obviously continue with the support at the NNUH, ensuring this machine is operational 24/7, every single day of the year. In terms of Serco as a whole, we are driving change, we are being more adaptable, we're looking at new innovations, we are looking at how we can be more sustainable for the planet and for this hospital. We are looking at time saving, cost saving, being more environmentally friendly. Overall, we are looking at providing a much better service to the NHS and all the other contracts we may be doing. This is the first one of its kind in the UK for Serco, and we are looking at rolling this out across all our other Serco Health contracts. It's a really good piece of kit. We're really excited. The frontline team are very excited about this. We are looking at how we can be a leading company with the vision of pushing and driving sustainability for the company and showing what other companies should be doing.